I'm listening to all of this coverage. It's fantastic. I'm starting to pick up some themes though. One is what you were talking about, the high ratios that is allowing the snow to pile up. And two, the snow coming in pretty quickly and it's leading to roads deteriorating rather fast. I want to pull up some webcams here. This is in gray on the turnpike and it's covered. You can see ruts on the road. This is a still image. It's 4 degrees. The snow is not melting whatsoever. So it is straight accumulation on the roads. This is Bangor, and you can see a little trail there, but it's on I-95, and it's not yet picked up significantly in the Bangor area. This is Portland. You see the cars driving on the road there, downtown Portland, 5 degrees, closer to ground level look over at Congress Square. You see a couple of people out, perhaps maybe enjoying it, checking things out in the downtown Portland area. Snow's piling up. Alfred, over 8 inches of snow so far. Sebago, 3 inches. These are going to be on the rise throughout the night, so we're just going to keep on filling this list in as we get reports. Now to the ratios. This is the aspect of this storm that honestly it's impressive to me, because the thing that really stuck out between this event and the littler, smaller snows that we've had over the last month or so is that the ratio is critically important as far as overall snow totals go. If everything that were to fall were liquid, on the left side of this graphic here, the totals would be roughly between 1/4 of an inch up to 1 1/4 of an inch, which when you add this snow to liquid ratio to it into this 15 or 20 to 1 range, the liquid turns into much larger numbers, right? So for example, if you're in southern Maine and we're getting 1 to 1 1/4 liquid, what that's gonna do is perhaps put totals into this 15 to 20 to 1 range, and it's going to be a significant event for extreme southern Maine. We could easily approach 20 inches in a few spots. So the next question then becomes, well, why? Why is that happening? Why do we have such a large snow to liquid ratio with this event in particular? And the answer to that comes by looking up into the atmosphere. So this is ground level. This is the temperature and dew point going up to about 16,000 feet. The red line is air temp, green line is dew point. And I put these 2 blue lines in here to show where the snow growth region of the atmosphere is. And in essence, we've got about 16,000 feet where the snow is falling in the snow growth region, and that is really the key to why the ratios are so high. So you're getting a lot of deposition on the snow that's falling, and that's what leads to the higher ratios. I want to pull you over here just to show you some hard data. This is the short range ensemble forecast, and there's a lot of members in here. This is for the Portland area, and the mouse, I'm going to just point to you late Monday, and that's one of the lower members there, about 15 inches, and you go up to the top, 23 inches. That's just straight data, the ensemble forecast there, but it goes to show you how big of a range there is and how much snow the data is suggesting that we get with respect to accumulation. One more graphic I want to pull up, because we're talking about how much snow there is, so it's important to point out the perspective and reference. These are the top 10 biggest snows in the Portland area on record, and most of them are in the low 20-inch range. We got one in 2013 that was over 30 inches, but we're going to get close, I think, to some of these higher threshold snow events in the Portland area. So got a long night ahead of us. We're going to be here all night. I'll send it back over to Sam and Amanda at the desk.